Welcome back to Silicophilic. I was reviewing an important document in Microsoft Word when I noticed something wasn't right. Several spelling mistakes had red underlines, but when I right-clicked them, absolutely nothing happened. Then I opened the Review tab and clicked Spelling, but Word still didn't suggest any corrections. To make things even stranger, the Editor button had completely disappeared from the ribbon. After trying several fixes, I finally discovered what was causing the problem and found out the solutions. Here is what I did. Check whether you are using Word Online or the desktop app. The first thing I discovered is that Word Online and the desktop version don't always offer the same editing features. Some proofreading tools are available only in the desktop application, while certain online features also depend on your Microsoft 365 subscription and language support. If you are using Word in your browser, if possible, open Word in the desktop app. Then check whether grammar suggestions and the editor feature start working there. If everything works in the desktop version, then the problem is likely related to Word Online rather than your document. Verify the proofing language. Microsoft Word only checks grammar and spelling using the language assigned to your document. If the wrong proofing language is selected, Word may underline words incorrectly or stop offering suggestions altogether. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire document. Go to Review, then Proofing, then Language or similar settings as per your Word version. Choose the language you are actually writing in. Also make sure Do Not Check Spelling or Grammar is unchecked. Click OK. Now test whether spelling and grammar suggestions appear. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Many editor features are tied directly to your Microsoft account. If Word Online isn't properly signed in, some intelligent writing features including grammar suggestions may not load correctly. Look at the upper right corner of Word. Make sure you are signed in with the Microsoft account that owns your Microsoft 365 subscription. If you're already signed in, trying to sign out completely. Close the browser, then sign back in again. Refreshing your Microsoft account often restores missing editor features. Enable grammar and writing suggestions. Sometimes the proofreading tools are simply disabled inside Word. If these options are turned off, Word will stop checking grammar, even though spell check may still work. Open File, then Options, then Proofing. Make sure the following options are enabled. Check spelling as you type. Mark grammar errors as you type. Check grammar with spelling. Click OK. Now reopen your document and test the editor again. Check your Microsoft 365 language settings. This was actually the fix that surprised me the most. Microsoft Word may fully support your proofing language, but the editor interface itself isn't available for every Microsoft 365 service language. Open your browser, visit the website account.microsoft.com. Go to Profile and Language Preferences. Temporarily change your Microsoft 365 service language to English. Save the changes, then reopen Word Online. If the editor suddenly appears and grammar suggestions begin working, you have confirmed that the issue is related to the Microsoft 365 service language rather than Word itself. Try another browser. Browser extensions, cached files, or outdated browser settings can sometimes interfere with Word Online. Testing another browser helps determine whether the problem is caused by the browser or by Microsoft Word itself. Open the same document using another browser such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. If the editor works normally there, clear your original browser's cache and disable unnecessary extensions before testing again. Here is how to clear Chrome cache. Open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Delete Browsing Data, choose a time range. Check cached images and files. Optionally, check cookies and other site data if needed. Click Delete Data. Once done, disable Chrome extensions. Open Google Chrome menu. Go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Locate the extension you want to disable. Turn off the toggle to disable it. To remove it completely, click Remove. Test another Microsoft account. Sometimes the problem isn't your computer or browser at all. It may be specific to your Microsoft account, especially if certain Microsoft 365 features haven't been fully activated. Sign out of Word Online. Now sign in using another Microsoft account if you have one available. Open a document and test the editor or editing section. If it works correctly on the second account, the issue is most likely related to your original Microsoft account or subscription settings. Check whether your language supports the editor. This is something many users don't realize. Microsoft supports spell checking in many languages, but the full editor experience, including advanced grammar suggestions, style recommendations, and writing improvements, is only available for selected languages. For example, spell checking may work perfectly in your language, but the editor or editing panel itself may not appear. If changing your Microsoft 365 service language to English makes the editor appear immediately, then you have likely encountered this limitation. Unfortunately, this isn't something that can be fixed from within Word itself. Send feedback to Microsoft. If you have confirmed that the problem only affects one specific language, there is a good chance Microsoft is already tracking it. Submitting feedback helps Microsoft prioritize support for additional languages and improve the editor experience. In Word Online, click Help, then Feedback. Describe the problem clearly. Submitting detailed feedback gives Microsoft's development team valuable information for future updates. So if Microsoft Word isn't showing grammar suggestions, spelling corrections, or the editor has completely disappeared, don't assume your Office installation is broken. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more Microsoft Office tutorials, Windows tips, and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.